Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through a comparison between SendLane and Klaviyo. If you're new to Klaviyo, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow along with us. Klaviyo is primarily designed for e-commerce businesses, but is also suitable for any organization that wants advanced email marketing capabilities. One of its standout features is its powerful automation tools. With Klaviyo, users can easily set up triggered campaigns based on specific user behaviors. For instance, if a customer abandons their shopping cart, you can automatically send them a reminder email. Similarly, you can engage customers based on their product views or purchase history, which can significantly boost conversion rates. Another major advantage of Klaviyo is its segmentation capabilities. Users can create highly targeted audience segments based on a wide range of metrics such as purchase frequency, browsing behavior, and demographics. This allows for personalized messaging, which has been shown to enhance customer engagement and increase sales. Klaviyo also integrates seamlessly with many e-commerce platforms, including Shopify and Magento, as well as CRMs and analytics tools. This makes it a versatile choice for businesses that rely on data-driven marketing strategies. In terms of analytics, Klaviyo offers in-depth reporting that provides valuable insights into campaign performance and customer behavior. This data helps you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to refine your marketing strategies for better results. Additionally, Klaviyo enables users to create dynamic emails that can change based on recipient data, further personalizing the customer experience and fostering deeper engagement. SendLane, on the other hand, SendLane is focused on small to medium-sized businesses that are looking for a straightforward solution for both email and SMS marketing. SendLane is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible for users with varying levels of experience, even those who may not be tech-savvy. It provides essential automation tools, including autoresponders and follow-up sequences, which are great for maintaining customer engagement. However, these automation features are not as advanced as those offered by Klaviyo. SendLane also offers a selection of customizable templates, allowing users to create visually appealing emails without needing extensive design skills. This makes it easier for businesses to maintain a professional appearance in their communications. While SendLane includes basic analytics features such as open rates, click-through rates, and revenue tracking, it lacks the depth of reporting found in Klaviyo. This may be sufficient for smaller businesses that require essential metrics without the need for extensive data analysis. Finally, SendLane generally offers more budget-friendly pricing plans, making it a suitable choice for businesses with simpler marketing needs. I hope you found this helpful. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.